Is your internet access blocked and you suspect a Trojan virus is to blame? Stay tuned as we guide you through the steps to regain control and secure your system. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a serious issue that can disrupt your digital life, a Trojan virus blocking your internet connection. But don't worry, we've got you covered with effective solutions to remove the Trojan and restore access. Let's dive in. First, let's understand what we're dealing with. A Trojan virus is a type of malware that disguises itself as legitimate software. Once inside your system, it can perform a variety of malicious tasks. How can you tell if a Trojan is behind your connectivity issues? Looking out for those signs, usually slow computer performance, unexpected pop ups, and of course, limited or no internet access despite a working connection. Before we start the removal process, ensure you're disconnected from the internet to prevent the Trojan from causing further harm. Next, put your computer in safe mode to restrict the virus's capabilities. With the PC in safe mode, it's time to hunt down and remove the Trojan. We recommend using a reliable anti-malware tool for this. If you have one installed, you need to download it using another device and transfer it to your affected PC using a USB drive. Once the Trojan is removed, we need to restore your internet connection. This often involves resetting your network settings. Congratulations on defeating the Trojan and regaining access to the internet. To keep your system safe moving forward, practice safe browsing habits, keep your software updated, and consider using a VPN for an extra layer of security. There you have it, folks. You've successfully tackled the Trojan virus and restored your internet connection.